And today's going to be a very special video. I have my grandfather actually doing the voiceover to my makeup tutorial, so stay tuned.
Okay guys, I'm here watching my granddaughter transform her face. I don't know why she's doing this. She has a beautiful face, beautiful skin, and she hides it. So here we go. Let's see what she's doing now. Okay, I don't know what that is, but like she's covered up a black eye. And now she's like she's a squaw putting on war paint. What tribe is that? What's that? This is confusing. Okay. Now you paint your eyebrows. Is that war paint? No. But it goes good with it. And that's the other eye. You know, this is really amazing. I can't figure out why she's doing all this. Like I said, she has beautiful skin already and she's hiding it. And that's not even her color. Okay. But at least they straight. Yeah. Hey, maybe she ought to think about being an artist. Okay. Yep, she didn't bring that to the corner. Oh, there she got it now. See, look like she's confused herself. See there? Now she's wiping it off. She did all that stuff to put on and now she's wiping it off. Well, why are you grinning? Okay. There you go. Get the top. Morgan, I still don't understand why you're doing all this. No, you just did that. You know, maybe I put in instructions 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, and step by step so you can follow it. Because this is totally confusing. See how lucky we men are? We just look good naturally. We ain't got to go out and do all this. Yeah. Yep, she overdrew the line that time. And she actually enjoys this. Uh-oh, I think she messed up. Now watch her correct it. No wonder you guys take so long to get ready. Okay, what about your mouth? There you go. Oh, I guess that's the brand she uses. So why do you need all those colors? Ah, this is ebony at its finest. But she's still my Nubian queen. Come on, granddaughter, go. But at least it's blending in pretty well, though. What about your cheeks? Is this time lapse or are you doing this fast like this naturally? I don't think she's doing it naturally fast. I think this is time lapse. She's asked me to say what I think about it. Now she knows. Okay. But like that's too dark, I think. At the end, I want to know if it looks any different. Now she's putting some more that Indian makeup on now. You know what she reminds me of? A superwoman with a mask on now. Her, she puts it on, then she takes it off, then she puts it on again, then she pets it in. Yeah. That's why you get ready 2 hours before we get ready to leave. Okay, what is that? Now she's actually going to the circus. But she'd be a pretty clown. Remember how Wonder Woman does all this stuff and she have a mask on in front of her over her eyes? Now it's like she got a mask on. Now she's putting it in. Oh, those were her teeth. You know, her being a psychologist, she should have been a surgeon. Look how steady her hands are. Well, this is actually interesting. To a veil, I don't know, but it's interesting. Okay, part 10. The sunken jaws. This reminds me of Ghostbusters. Blending in. There go all the 15 colors. After all this, you would think her face would have some sparkle. But she's beautiful. Look at her. Go, girl, go. A little more brush. Cheeks are rosy. Actually, I guess it's all worth it. So now she just go in and clean it off. And the blend. Sparkle, spray. And there you have it. There she is. Go, Mo. Just as gorgeous as ever. That's my baby. You're welcome. That's the look she gives you.